Let us now look at research. Research is one of the core skills that a virtual assistant should have. So why is it important to understand research? So you will realize that many clients need help in gathering information. This information could be leads, competitors, trends, content topics, keywords, suppliers, etc. So when you do online research, you are simply saving the client hours of time and suppose, and you are a useful person in supporting business decision. A VA with a strong research skills is valuable and can even charge more for this service. So what are the types of research? Number one, lead research. This one involves finding emails, names, LinkedIn profiles of prospects. Number two, we have market research, which involves identifying competitors, their pricing models, and the trends in customer purchases. Then we have another one called content research. This is where you research about content ideas. You know your employer may not be aware what are they going to post on their social media platforms. So you come in as a researcher, you find good ideas that can be turned into blogs, ideas that can be turned into videos, short videos, articles, summaries, and so on. Then lastly, we have product research. This is where you are required to compare between 2 or 3 products, which may be in the form of softwares, vendors, and their pricing plans. So in the next lecture, I'm going to show you how you can use Google as a tool that you can apply and do research for your clients.